Hello, my dear friend. Namaste and welcome to my channel Travel Clocks. How are you all today? I hope you all are really keeping well. Well, today's plan is to go to Hampi. So, today is day 1 and we are going to check in at Hotel Hyatt Place. After that, we have a plan to see around. If you are traveling from Bangalore, there are the 3 different ways you can reach to Hampi, but we have taken the 6 hours 10 minutes one, which is like nice road, then NH 48 which goes through Chitradurga, and then you join to NH 50, then State Highway 40. We started 6 am in the morning and it took us 7 hours with 2 stopovers in between. Bangalore to Chitradurga, the stretch is about 180 km and it's pleasure to drive. However, in between there are some patches where you may feel little uncomfortable, but though the overall drive was excellent. It's altogether 6-lane highway with a good number of wayside drive-in restaurants. Well, if you are traveling with your kids, it is recommended that you carry some food and water along with you. As soon as you join NH 50, you will get many reasons to pull over your car and enjoy the beauty of nature. From Chitradurga, we had joined NH 50, which is also known as Hampi Highway. It's a 4-lane highway and the stretch is very scenic, very beautiful. On the way we have spotted many sunflower gardens and windmills, so we pull over our car one of the garden just to take a little bit of walk, and we had our breakfast. So from NH 50 we have taken a turn at Kudligi and entered State Highway 40. So this stretch is at about 70 km and the route was amazing and pretty scenic throughout. The landscape is beautiful, it keeps on changing every now and then, and this route is very scenic, full of greeneries, and you will literally enjoy your drive. We have just spotted Tungabhadra river on our right hand side. As I said earlier, you will have a many reason to pull out your car and take a little bit of stopover and walk around just to spend some time. We had decided to take a stopover at Narihala river viewpoint. So this river is basically the tributary of Tungabhadra river. If you talk about the surrounding cities and the Hampi main city, so most of its water supply they get it from the Tungabhadra river. So this is the reservoir and it is the back side of it. So if you see this place is very rich in iron and manganese deposit. Despite all this fact, you will get to see the lush green forest, red craggy hills, makes this place beautiful. It's beautiful to drive through. As soon as we entered, our luggage was sanitized and we were escorted to our room. The property looks pretty clean and beautiful all around. They have a few different categories of room, but out of that we have taken that family room. The total size of the room is 469 square feet, and the room is having a different patio with garden and a private plunge pool. Station. It's nice. And this is where you can just sit and relax. This is a sofa cum bed. Later on we can just convert and use it as a bed. And since it's a COVID time, we didn't want our children to go on the pool. So we have booked this one so that they can actually enjoy the plunge pool. So it's like a mini private pool. This hotel offers you swimming pool, gym, other amenities like children play area. They also have a separate garden where they grow its own fruits and vegetables, which is nice to see. We are in Vidyanagara. So now we have a plan that we are going to walk around and see some of the places like Khadam Museum, OP Jindal Memorial and Panchavati Temple. So these are the 3 places I'm going to cover right now. It's 5:10 and if you are planning to visit it, do visit this time because during afternoon most of the things are closed here.
Morning time they will open, so timing I will just confirm once again. Nice, just enjoying it, isn't it, Coco?
This is the entrance of Panchavati temple. It is located in Vidyanagar township and it's beautifully designed. Typically it's in North Indian style temple, but it gives you the divine feeling as soon as you enter. This temple opens every day from 6 am to 10 am in the morning and evening 5 pm to 8 pm. If you are coming here, do visit this place. It's absolutely worth visiting. This temple is made out of white marble. It's beautifully curved throughout. This temple is having all different type of god and goddesses. So if you want to worship and offer some offerings, so do not hesitate to ask the priest. He will guide you through. It looks beautiful after the rain.
Now we are heading towards the Kaladham Museum. It is just walkable distance from our hotel. So we'll cover few of the places which is inside the Vidyanagar. This is the entrance and absolutely gorgeous. কি সুন্দর গার্ডেনটা। সানসেট হয়ে গেছে অলমোস্ট, ক্লাউডি ওয়েদার, দেখতে এত সুন্দর না, ভাষায় বলা যাবে না।
Kaladham Museum is a 3D museum and it's really one of its kind. This is inspired by a museum in Australia. It's absolutely worth visiting as you will get a virtual tour of Hampi. You will get a topographical image of Hampi region, or you can just say a satellite view from which you can plan your journey accordingly. And apart from that, this museum will give you the entire virtual tour of Hampi. Some of the monuments, since it's a very old one, it was buried underground, so the restoration work started. There are a lot of photographs had been taken during the restoration work. This museum is very big, so we just decided to walk around and explore more things. We walked around the property, we sat down in their open amphitheater for some time, then we explored the shop. The shop was absolutely beautiful with a gorgeous collection of local handmade things, and after that we headed towards the lake. When you come here, do not miss this because the surrounding look beautiful, and some things you cannot express by your word. You have to come and witness yourself. Then we headed towards the OPJ park. The landscape is very beautiful, everything is well maintained. This is Zen garden. This is also known as Japanese garden. Due to COVID, this garden is closed, but the OPJ park is open till 9 o'clock and it has a huge pathway. So if you would like to walk around with your family, it's a really good place to hang around. A small shopping complex. There are few eateries, shops and ATM where you can fulfill your daily needs. That's our last stop. This is the man-made lake inside the Vidyanagara. If you like this video, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Well, it's time for me to say goodbye to all of you, but do keep watching for my upcoming Hampi's video. Until then, have a great day. Bye bye.